Welcome to the Tax Saving Minute. This is the show that teaches you how income taxes work in little tiny increments so you can save money on your taxes. If you want to go from nervous to confident, click subscribe below. And if you like saving money, then click like. In this season 3, we're going to talk about freelancer tax freedom. So how to have tax freedom and save money while you're a freelancer. So in the last video, we talked about how your taxes change when you go from an employee to a contractor or a freelancer. If you haven't seen that video, then click on it right now. It will explain a lot of things. In this episode, we are going to talk about how to save money while you have all those new taxes. So the way taxes work when you're a freelancer is you get taxed on your net income. Net income is your gross income, which is all the income you get from all the people you work for, minus all your business expenses. That is your net income. So those business expenses are a triple whammo deduction because they save you money on not just federal income tax, not just state income tax, but also your self-employment tax, which is Social Security and Medicare. So these super important deductions are things you need to know about, keep track of, and make sure you report properly. So what kind of expenses are these? They're the expenses of running your business. So say Jack is a graphic designer. He could have a lot of different expenses like website expense, advertising expense, software for graphic design, software for bookkeeping, his CPA who gives him wonderful advice and does his taxes every year, and mileage from his co-working space to a promotional event, and things like the cost of the co-working space. These are all different legitimate expenses that he needs to have in order to run his business. There are also some expenses that you deduct little by little. They're called assets. So say his computer that he does all of his work on, that would be an asset. And he would deduct the cost of that over a few different years. Thank you for joining me for the Tax Saving Minute. If you have questions or things you want us to talk about, comment below. I'm Cynthia Umstadt, CPA. See you next time.